Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Are you passionate about home decor, interior design, or furniture styling? Then you have come to the right place. On this channel, we explore the world of sofa design in all its forms, from timeless classics to cutting edge modern styles. Whether you are looking to upgrade your living room, choose the perfect sectional or final ideas for custom upholstery, we have got you covered. You will find here stunning sofa design ideas for every room and budget, style comparisons, modern, traditional, mid-century, minimalist, and more. Fabric and color selection tips, layout and arrangement inspiration, dye, upholstery, and sofa makeover projects, expert tips on sofa maintenance and durability. Join our community of design lovers and homeowners who are transforming their spaces one sofa at a time. The ultimate source for sofa design, inspiration, and home comfort solutions. Transform your space with a perfect sofa. Whether you are a homeowner, interior designer, architecture student, furniture enthusiast, or simply someone who loves beautiful living spaces, our channel is your go-to hub for everything related to sofa design and living room aesthetics. What we offer: number 1, sofa design showcases. Explore a wide range of sofa styles from contemporary, modern, Scandinavian, and minimalist design to luxurious vintage and custom crafted pieces. We bring you hand-picked inspiration from around the world. Number 2, home styling tips. Learn how to pair sofas with rugs, cushions, coffee tables, and wall decor for a cohesive and stylish look. Number 3, expert advice and buying guidance. Not sure what sofa fits your lifestyle or space? Our expert tips help you choose the right size, shape, fabric, and color to match your home's personality. Whether it's a cozy two-seater, a large sectional, or a sleeper sofa, we break it down for you. Number 4, dye budget-friendly ideas. Get creative with dye sofa upgrades, tips, and small spaces solutions. We share affordable hacks to make your sofa look high-end without breaking the bank. Whether you are redesigning your living room, furnishing a new home, or simply looking for design inspiration, our channel helps you create beautiful, functional, and comfortable living spaces centered around the heart of the room, the sofa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thank you so much, everyone.